Before you decide to buy Pylon, here are 7 key things you need to know that will help you make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to get a great deal on the best free trial for Pylon and why it might be the right choice for your needs, especially when compared to the competition. First off, let's talk about the user interface. When you're looking at software like Pylon, ease of use is critical. Many platforms out there like Monday.com or Trello can seem overwhelming, especially for teams that are new to project management software. Pylon stands out here by offering a clean, intuitive design that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. Whether you're managing a small team or an entire department, the simplicity of Pylon's interface helps reduce the learning curve. Next thing, customization options. A lot of project management tools offer rigid structures that might not suit every team's workflow. With Pylon, you get a high degree of customization that allows you to tailor your workspace exactly how you want it. You can create custom workflows, task boards, and even integrate specific tools that your team already uses. While competitors like Asana and ClickUp have some level of customization, Pylon gives you more control over how things are set up so you can focus on what matters most to your team. The third thing you should know is about integrations. In today's digital age, you need your tools to work together. Pylon integrates with a wide variety of third-party apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and more. If you're coming from software like Notion or Basecamp, you'll appreciate how easily Pylon integrates with the tools you're already using. It's crucial to have this kind of flexibility if you're working with multiple platforms, and Pylon handles it well, streamlining your workflow. The fourth thing that sets Pylon apart is its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or an enterprise-level company, Pylon grows with you. This is something that many competitors fall short on. Some platforms, like Rike, can get pricey and complicated as your business expands. Pylon offers a pricing model that scales without sacrificing features, meaning you're getting what you need without paying for what you don't. This makes it an ideal choice for companies of all sizes. Next, let's talk about collaboration tools. Pylon is designed with teamwork in mind, offering a variety of features like real-time updates, task assignments, and easy communication channels. This is a big step up from simpler tools like Trello, which lacks some of the more sophisticated collaboration features. Pylon also helps keep everyone on the same page by letting you track progress in real time, which can be a game changer for teams that require constant communication. The sixth thing to consider is Pylon's reporting and analytics. If you're using project management software, you need insights into how your team is performing. Pylon offers built-in reporting tools that help you track project progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. While tools like Monday.com offer some reporting features, Pylon's detailed and customizable reports give you deeper insights into your team's performance, helping you stay ahead of potential issues. Finally, let's discuss customer support. One of the biggest frustrations with project management software is getting support when you need it. Pylon is known for its responsive customer service, offering quick turnaround times and an array of helpful resources. Competitors like ClickUp can sometimes have a slower response time or more complex support systems, but Pylon ensures that help is never more than a click away, which is a huge plus. If you're considering Pylon, remember that you can try it out completely free from the first link in the description below. This free trial offers exclusive benefits, so you can explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for you without any risk. So if you're ready to take your team's productivity to the next level, click the link in the description to get started with Pylon today and grab that exclusive free trial offer.